Hello everybody, my name is Dokan and I'm back at it again with a new video. So what we're gonna do today is an OBS tutorial how to get the black screen away. Like if you start it up, you see you start it up, you see this black screen. You're like, what the fuck, man? I wanna record but I can't. So what you gotta do is very easy. You close the program. This one doesn't work for me anymore, but maybe it will work for you. It worked earlier, but not now anymore. You say start with integrated graphics. You right click it and then integrated graphics, you know. But now it doesn't work for me anymore. So you're like, what do I do now? So you gotta close it. You gotta close it and then you press right. You right click it anywhere on your desktop, and then go to your screen settings, display settings. You go down all the way to graphical settings, all the way down, like it's all the way down over here. And then you set this on classic apps. It needs to be on classic apps. You press that, and then you search your OBS file where the application is at. If you found the application in a file, press on it. I cannot do it anymore because I already did it. Then it will come over here, down here. What you do, it says system default. What you gotta do is press on it, go to options, and you gotta put it on energy saving mode. Why? Because it needs to get the Intel GPU and not the NVIDIA GeForce GPU. I don't know why that is, but you need that one. So what is it? What does it say? It says energy saving GPU. So you press the energy saving CPU and GPU, so you can get the Intel graphics card. But you don't need the GeForce. That's bad. You don't want that. What you gotta do is just press the energy saving mode, say save, close it, and start OBS. And now you start it, and as you can see now, it works. It's a short video, I know, but it is what it is. This it's easy as this is. You gotta make a screen capture. You make a scene over here. You probably know that, and make a You got here all your options with the screen capture. You can capture all of your screen. Just it captures all your screen. You can make a game capture also over here in the just so that this is the audio in for my microphone. I use a Toner Q9 mic. It I spent like 60 bucks, 60 euros, or like 80 euros on the microphone, and I don't know if it's good. I think it's good. I hope it's good. Yeah, I use this for my camera. I put it at right down a little bit like this, so it looks a little better. And this is the audio that you get from my laptop. And yeah, and this is the things I use for my streams. You know, I use this for my stream. Why so many? Because starting you see an application, and then here is the chat. The chat is over there. Event list is over there, and this is just a picture with an event list, and so you see everybody chat in it. And if there's something somebody donates or something, you see an event coming. If you want a more in-depth video about that, please say it in the descriptions, down in the description down below, if you would like that. And yeah, then I'll make a video about that, and like this. I'll talk more about that if you want that video. So say it down below. There's another video coming. It's about Minecraft Dungeons. I've never played it. It's the first time playing. If you want a series about that, so go react to that. Press the notification bell so you can be notified when that video comes online. I don't know when yet. I think Saturday the 13th, but I don't know for sure. Maybe on Monday. I'm gonna stick with the Monday every day, every Monday a new video, because I'm getting a little bit more time, and maybe two videos a week. I'll see. I'll need to check my time because I'm a little busy with school. It's almost finishing up, so I'm doing all the finishing work on my school, and then we'll go in summer vacation, and then I will make more videos, of course. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you want to be notified about my next video, the Minecraft dungeon video, I'm gonna edit that one after this one. So press the notification bell so you will be notified with every new video I put up. You can be the first to see my videos. Yeah, and if you liked it, put a like, put the thumbs up, give me a like, and if you're new to the channel, go subscribe. What are you doing? But yeah, I hope you liked it, man. Dude, this was the video. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.